ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to ABC Animal Fun Friends. I'm MC Funt.
And I'm Don't.
Here is a place to see a fun self-praise show of animals every day.
We're going to see cool animal friends from the ABC Animal Show with us.
Here we go. Shall we meet today's animal friend? Please give us ABC alphabet hint. Is coming up. I can see white and black patterns over there.
Wow! Even the face has a pattern.
Who is the guy having white and black stripes?
Oh? I think it's finally done. Zebra!
Show! ABC Animal Show! Fun friends! Little rascals, surprise show. Let's meet today's guest. My heart begins thump. Our best self-praise show.
ABC Animal Show Fun Friends!
Let me introduce today's guest having stripes.
I am a zebra, the striped stylish zebra in the meadow. Everyone can't take their eyes off me. Oh yeah, my stripes are pretty cool. Can I guess what you guys think about me? You're thinking it's black patterns on a white background or white patterns on a black background. No, guess what it is?
I'm dizzy. Which one is the first?
White patterns on a black background.
No. The answer is black patterns on a white background. It's confusing, right? When I was a kid, my hair was white, but I got black patterns later.
Aha! I see. I can't believe you got a nice pattern growing up. It's amazing.
My zebra pattern isn't just cool, there's so many good points. If you guys hear about it, everyone will want to have my pattern.
I'm curious about it, Miss Zebra. Please explain it to us quickly.
Do you know vampire flies? In the meadow, there is a vampire fly that sucks the blood of animals. It's very nasty. Everyone's busy avoiding it, but I don't get bitten. Why? Because of my patterns. The vampire fly feels so dizzy because of the pattern. When they come near my body, they can't fly well and do not stick to my body.
Wow! The vampire flies just avoid zebra by himself. I'm only going to wear striped clothes from now on.
There's another one. My pattern can also avoid attacks from other animals. When we're together with other zebra friends, we look like a huge animal.
Wow, The more I know about your zebra patterns, the more awesome you are.
Don't you think this pattern is really worth, of course? This is the way to protect my body. Maybe nobody can have better patterns than mine. Is there any pattern that is so cool and has so many advantages?
Of course there is. That is a jaguar? I don't agree that your pattern is the best. Look at my pattern. Black frames and stain patterns on a golden background. A nice pattern means something like this. Your stripes are too common.
What? However, my pattern is not just for style, it protects me. What can you do with your patterns?
Ha ha ha! My pattern is used when I am hunting. I usually live in trees. I hide my scary claws and move quietly on the trees and pounce on a prey. My pattern looks like a plum flower. So it helps keep me to hide from other animals. If you don't see me very closely in the bushes, you won't know I'm here. Wow, that's cool! I'm gonna wear a jaguar pattern!
Don't, come on. You just said you were going to wear zebra pattern clothes. Mr. Jaguar, you have a nice pattern too.
It's not good to hide from other animals. You should be as colorful as I am anytime, anywhere.
It's easier for me to walk around alone. And if the pattern is fancy, it's easy to be hunted.
It's okay, because zebras look big when we are with other zebra friends.
Oh, come to think of it, jaguar and zebra both protect themselves with patterns.
Oh, that's true.
It's similar.
They all have different patterns, but they play similar roles.
I am jealous of you guys with nice patterns. Okay, then you guys can be pattern brothers. Pattern brothers?
Yes, Jaguar. Other animals will be jealous if we go around together. There aren't many animals with these wonderful patterns.
Okay, I like it.
Then Jaguar, to celebrate that we are brothers, let's enjoy this fun show together.
That's a good idea. Something is going to happen.
It seems like that. Zebra, want to show a special thing?
Ladies and gentlemen, I've prepared a special show for everyone who came to see my nice stain today. Today, I became a brother and a friend having a nice pattern like mine. Beautiful Pattern Brothers, the Zebra and Jaguar Pattern Show. You can look forward to it.
The Pattern Brothers, please come to the stage. Wow, the two patterns of zebra and jaguar finally meet. You can't see it anywhere else. ABC Animal Show with specialty. ABC Animal Show with Pain of the First Love. I'm afraid we have to finish today.
Please look forward to meeting our next guest. Okay then, bye.
Shall we meet the friends who appeared on today's ABC Animal Show?
Zebra!
Jaguar.
Jaguar!